What's up guys, Echo Gaming 165 here with another video. Under here. Brother. Another epic fail. Leader. 165 here. Superman, 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 Superman. Aren't you doing any work? Superman, 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 Superman. He's the mysterious cow. He's gonna be stuck down there for the rest of his life. Bye cow, you're gonna be stuck down there for millions of years. Until we get in. Jhon, there's a creeper in your house! Die! Move. The cow is trapped. Oh, your teacher was asking, where is Jhon? Jhon.
What?
Your teacher was asking, where were you?
Rhea?
Yeah.
What did he tell you?
He's just at home. Don't want it to go there. Okay, right here. I know this is my first building video. Not so much. Okay. Feel free to copy this house.
No.
If you want to. Not all of him. It's new and improved. What are you doing here?
Something.
Ah, you're building me a tiny house, really?
This is your house.
If you.
It's you.
Look, kitty cows. My time is now. Pretty much that's it. Go check out this guy's channel. And should I decorate inside the house?
Echo Gamer Pro 165 talking, and we're leaving right now. So bye
And subscribe.